And today is Friday, 24th day of October 2025, which we celebrate SM City Cabanatuan Christmas launch. We would like to request everyone to please take your seats. The program will start in a few minutes. It's going to be a monster evening. Halloween here at SM City Cabanatuan. Come in your best spooky look and join the costume contest and trick or treat parade happening on October 31, Friday, 3 p.m. at Level 4 Roof Park. Don't miss the frightful fun. Visit SM City Cabanatuan's official Facebook page for more info. Thank you.
Dito tayo ngayon sa SM City Cabanatuan para sa kanilang Christmas launch. Ang opisyal na pagbubukas ng kanilang Central Beach para po sa Christmas 2025. Again, dito po tayo ngayon sa SM City Cabanatuan para po sa kanilang Christmas launch para sa Holiday 2025. Dito sa mga nais na magtungo ngayon, dito po sa SM City Cabanatuan, the program is about to start.
Once again, good afternoon, mall shoppers. Let's hit the court, picklers. The pickleball courts here at SM City Cabanatuan are now officially open from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. daily at Level 2 Garden Park. Whether you're a newbie or a pro, all are welcome to serve, smash, and rally with fellow picklers. Register for free via SM Malls Online. Visit SM City Cabanatuan's official Facebook page for more info. Thank you. Once again, we would like to request everyone to please take your seats. The program will start in a few minutes. Thank you.
So standby mga kachokaran para po dito sa programa sa pagbubukas o sa paglulunsad ng Christmas 2025 dito sa SM City, Cabanatuan. Standby mga kachokan, standby.